probably of no surprise to you that one of the most important accessories in a campervan build is also one of the most expensive. A campervan bed seat, also known as a rock and roll bed seat, are generally quite expensive to buy. But did you know you can actually build your own? Building your own van seat will also give you the freedom to build it exactly how you want it, to whatever size, comfort, and cosmetic appearance you'd like. And surely that's the whole point of building your own campervan, isn't it? Achieving something that is personal to you. Getting exactly what you want for less money has got to be of interest, hasn't it? So where can you achieve this? Well, we've done all the hard work for you and produced a step-by-step guide, showing you how to do each stage and where to get the parts from. But wait, van seats need to be tested, don't they? Well, that depends. Many people don't understand the law, or indeed the law of physics. When seatbelts are bolted to a seat frame, it makes one thing very heavy when occupants strap themselves to it. This is called mass, and this mass is the driving force that could tear the seat out of the van floor. This is why those types of seats need to be tested. However, if you fit the seat belts to the vehicle itself, exactly as they are in the front of your van, they are a lot safer and subsequently do not require testing. Instead, the onus is on the seat belts, which are all fully tested by law. Therefore, by strapping each belt around individual occupants, you've secured individual mass, instead of the collective mass of multiple occupants all strapped to one heavy steel seat frame. But I can't weld. Don't worry, you don't have to. We give you links to parts and aluminium that simply connects together. Obviously, aluminium is a lot lighter than steel, which will also help your fuel returns. It's understandable that you just want to get the campervan built as soon as possible and happy to settle for whatever type of bed seat. But realistically, van seats are generally built to order, taking a few weeks to arrive. Following this simple guide, you could have one built in a few hours and of course to whatever size, comfort, and appearance you want. Come say hello and explore more at Zorsful.com.